Hallo zusammen, wie geht es? Are you preparing for German job interview? Then this video is for you. Because in this video, I will tell you some important question and answers. And those also, it depends on that particular level, whether you have done A1, A2 or B1. Okay, so in this, I'll explain how to introduce yourself with the particular level, okay, respective level. And then what are your strengths, weaknesses, all those question answers we'll take here. So without wasting any time, we'll just start with the video. So in this, according to certain level, okay, whether you have prepared A1, A2 or B1, we'll just see the question answers, right? So, Frage 1, meaning question 1, will be Stellen Sie sich bitte vor. Please introduce yourself. This is very, very important question. Okay, whether you are appearing for A1, B1, or for that matter B2 also, A2, right? So this is very, very important. So you should know the answers, and those are according to your levels, whether you have prepared A1 or B1. Now for A1 answer will be, Hallo, ich heiße Rahul Sharma. Ich komme aus Indien und wohne in Bangalore. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. See the difference. For A1, this answer is sufficient. But for B1, it should start with Guten Tag. Mein Name ist Rahul Sharma. Ich komme aus Indien und lebe seit 2 Jahren in Bangalore. So I'm staying here from 2 years. Ich habe Informatik studiert und arbeite derzeit als Software developer. So this is like, if you see the difference here, A1 and B1. So B1 answer is more elaborate. And if you see the vocabulary, that is also advanced. Okay. So notice the difference here. Now we'll come to Frage 2. Erzählen Sie etwas über sich. Tell us something about yourself. Again, this is also a very important question. Now for A2 and B1, I have combined the answer. This is common answer for A2 and B1. Ich bin eine motivierte und zuverlässige person. I am a motivated and reliable person. In meiner Freizeit lese ich gerne Bücher und lerne neue Sprachen. In my free time, I read lot of books and learn new languages. Teamarbeit macht mir viel Spaß. I enjoy working in a team or I enjoy teamwork, right? Now coming to Frage 3. Question 3. Warum möchten Sie bei uns arbeiten? Why do you want to work with us? This is also very important. If some of you have already appeared for some interviews, any interview, job interview, so you will be familiar with this question. Why do you want to work with us? Now A2 and B1 answer will be little different. So we'll see this. A2 Antwort will be Ihre Firma gefällt mir sehr. Okay, I like your company very much. Ich möchte neue Erfahrungen sammeln und meine Deutschkenntnisse verbessern. Okay, I will gain more experience and my German skills or knowledge will increase. Okay, now B1 answer will be Ich möchte bei Ihrem Unternehmen arbeiten, weil es einen sehr guten Ruf hat. I would like to work in your company because it has a good reputation. Außerdem, furthermore, bietet diese Position gute Entwicklungsmöglichkeiten. This means there will be more possibilities for my development. Okay. So these are two different answers for level A2 and B1. Now here, coming to Frage 4. Was sind Ihre Stärken? What are your strengths? A1 and A2 answer will be Ich bin pünktlich, freundlich und fleißig. So I am punctual, friendly, and diligent. Here, this answer is sufficient. But coming to B1 Antwort, B1 answer will be meine größten Stärken sind meine Zuverlässigkeit. Okay, meaning my reliability, meine Lernbereitschaft und meine Fähigkeit im Team zu arbeiten. Now, here, coming to our question 5 or Frage 5. Was in Ihre Schwächen? This means what are your weaknesses? Okay, always this question will be asked in your exam. So, B1 answer will be manchmal bin ich etwas perfektionistisch. Deshalb brauche ich für manche Aufgaben etwas mehr Zeit, aber ich arbeite daran. Here that person is telling that okay, sometimes I am very perfectionist, so it takes more time, right, for any task. Now coming to B1 Antwort, B1 answer, why should we hire you? This is also again very important if some of you already appeared for any interview. Ich bin motiviert, lerne schnell und bringe bereits praktische Erfahrung mit. Ich bin überzeugt, dass ich einen positiven Beitrag zu Ihrem Team leisten kann. Okay, so till this, is it clear? Now coming to Frage 7 und 8. Okay, I'm not explaining each and every word in English, but keywords we will definitely take it here. Now here, welche Berufserfahrung haben Sie? Meaning what work experience. Okay, Erfahrung meaning experience. So welche Erfahrung haben Sie? What work experience do you have? Ich habe ein Jahr als Kundenberater gearbeitet. In den letzten 3 Jahren habe ich als Softwareentwickler gearbeitet. Dort war ich für die Entwicklung und Wartung von Anwendungen verantwortlich. Okay, this is the answer for A2 and B1. Now again, if you see the difference, A2 is just one sentence, but B1 is more elaborate. So this is the difference between these levels, right? Now, Frage 8. Können Sie im Team arbeiten? Can you work in a team? Because in any firma or company, you will have to work in a team. Ja, sehr gern. Yes, sure. Ich arbeite gerne mit anderen Menschen zusammen. I can work with other people together und unterstütze mein Team bei gemeinsamen Projekten. Okay. So these are the different answer. Now here I have not categorized this question 8 or answer out, right? This is because this is a common answer. Okay, this is not for particular any level, right? So I have not categorized for A1, A2 or B1. Now coming to our Frage 9 und 10. Question 9 and 10. Here, wo sehen Sie sich in 5 Jahren? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? These are very common and typical questions asked in job interviews. In 5 Jahren, the answer will be, this is B1 answer. In 5 Jahren möchte ich mehr Verantwortung übernehmen und mich beruflich weiterentwickeln. Außerdem möchte ich meine Deutschkenntnisse weiter verbessern. Okay, so I want to just brush up my German skills. Now here, this is question, question 10. Haben Sie noch Fragen? Meaning, do you have any questions? Do you want to ask something? Do you have any questions? So answer will be, now you can, this is answer and question also, because here you are asking question. Wie sieht ein typischer Arbeitstag aus? Welche Weiterbildungsmöglichkeiten gibt es in Ihrem Unternehmen? Wie groß ist das Team? These are the questions from your side. In a way, it is answer also for question 10 and your question also to the examiner. Now we'll see some useful phrases for the interview. For the Antwort before answering, you can start your answer with, das ist eine interessante Frage. That is an interesting question. Beim Nachdenken. Beim Nachdenken, when thinking, you will say, einen Moment bitte. One moment, please. Okay. When you are thinking the answer, what should I tell? Then you have to just say like einen Moment bitte. By here, Unklarheit, if you don't understand something, then könnten Sie die Frage bitte wiederholen? Could you please repeat the question? This also you can ask the examiner. Okay, if you don't understand it, you can always ask the examiner. Könnten Sie die Frage bitte wiederholen? Can you please repeat the question? Zum Abschluss, for closing, you can say vielen Dank für das Gespräch. Okay, ich freue mich auf Ihre Rückmeldung. Thank you for the conversation. I look forward to your feedback. Right? So, closing also, you can close like this with thank you. So, if you see, if you use these phrases, okay, these different phrases which I have given to you, then the impression will be different. Okay, you can impress the examiner with these phrases, right? So I hope this is clear with you. I'll be coming up with other parts also. Part 3, 4. This is part 2. There is one more part 1 on my channel. Already it's there. So if you are new to my channel and preparing for German language, you can subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.